This Module 5 is basically electives. Take 3 classes of your choosing. I chose DMBD, which is Data Analysis for Marketing Decisions. Then I took Business Negotiations, a very fun class. And finally, I took Sustainability and the Challenging Transition from Linear to Circular Economy. As the title of the course suggests, we really looked into the nitty-gritty details of a circular economy and just how difficult it is to make it work. But having talked about how difficult it was one of the most insightful classes I've taken, and I highly recommend it for anyone that's got a keen interest in sustainability, as it's a highly relevant topic going forward. The other thing on electives, you basically have 3 months to take 3 courses, so you could front load it or back load it or spread it out over the 3 months. I spread it out over 3 months, so I ended up with quite a bit of pocket in between classes, which allowed me to travel. So I made a trip out to the Azores, amazing island, just a 3-hour flight from Amsterdam. Also just had a lot of opportunities to host fun events with the class, including a big potluck. Everyone brought food from, as you can probably guess, all over the world. So it was incredibly fun. And then the athletics club, which is organized by myself and Ruben. We also hosted the Fall Olympics. Went out all the way to Taipei to see some classmates over there before coming back to start the internship that I'm doing now with DLL, which is a large financial institution directly owned by Rebel Bank, doing a climate risk internship. And it's opening up a lot of networks, connections, and opportunities for me. I've got 2 months left, looking good. Might even get a full-time offer, so we'll see. But yeah, that's my quick overview of Module 5.